Hello everybody, my name is Thomas and today we're going to be making barbecue lobster with a buttered garlic sauce. So first we're going to make the sauce. Everything is going to be done in the barbecue grill. So first I already peeled some garlic. So just chop it really small. So first, let's add the butter. Now let's add the garlic on top. Now we're gonna go ahead and chop the cilantro, also very small. Add the cilantro. We're gonna go ahead and add some Old Bay seasoning. Go ahead, you can put as much as you like, and that should be about enough. And then for the final touch, we're gonna add some lemon. So just cut it in half. Just squeeze it in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and chop these in half. And throw it in there. Now we're gonna put this baby directly in the barbecue grill. Alright, and the butter sauce, it just takes a little bit less than 5 minutes. So we're just gonna go ahead and put it on over here so it doesn't burn, it stays warm. Alright. And now we're gonna do the lobster tails. We're just going to put it down like this, straight through it. Like that. And then we're just gently going to remove this layer to make sure we don't leave out the meat and we don't get any pieces of the shell on it. So you see the butter is done. Alright. Alright. So I just peeled the top shell of the lobster and now we're going to go ahead and put them in. Alright, so the lobster is just about done. So we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit of bay seasoning on top. Not much, because the butter already has. All right, guys, there you have it. Lobster tails on the Barbie. Now we're gonna put the butter on top, the butter sauce. So go ahead and get some. Put that right on top. We're gonna go ahead and add some of the hot lemon juice on top. Let's see how it tastes.